Ache baba, ache yeye, ache lofi, ache ifa, ache rumila, ache legua, ache echo, ache ogun, ache osiosun, ache badala, ache chango, ache oya, ache ochung, ache yamaya, ache aye, ache egun, ache egbe.
In this video, we talk about Odu Ifa and the information contained within each Odu. We explain the structure of an Odu and the names and symbols used to describe the Odu. What does Odu mean in the Ifa religion? To provide some context to this topic, let's first talk about the Ifa religion in general. Ifa is an ancient religion and a complex system of divination conceptualized many centuries ago by the Yoruba people of West Africa. Ifa Yoruba religion is based on oral scriptures called Odu, also known as the Odu Ifa Corpus. Ifa is not only a religion, but also a collection of cultural and historical information, spiritual traditions, and timeless wisdom gathered by Ifa priests over the centuries. This information is embedded within the Odu. We will talk more about the type of information contained within the Odu later in this video. It is this well of infinite and timeless wisdom passed down for centuries from which a Babalawo and a Yanifa continue to learn from in their lifelong journey of Ifa practice. The Odu is the blueprint of life used to guide humanity towards the manifestation of their destiny in a positive way. It provides guidance on how to make good decisions and how to proceed through uncertain times. Through proper interpretation of an Odu, questions in your life with unknown outcomes can be answered. The Yoruba people have preserved the oral scriptures of each Odu throughout time. This information has been passed down orally from generation to generation. Although you can find literary works, websites, and videos like this one containing an abundance of information about Ifa. This abundance of information is made available in an effort to continue helping humanity in a positive way. The literary corpus of Ifa and the Ifa divination system were made part of the masterpieces of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity in 2005. This collection of timeless wisdom was classified as such in an effort to preserve and protect it. You can learn more about other topics of Ifa by following the links throughout and at the end of this video. In this next section, we talk more about the 16 principal Odu or 16 Meyi and their meaning. There are various stories about the origin of the 16 principal Odu. According to Ifa stories, the 16 Odu were 16 heavenly prophets that came down to earth and revealed themselves to Oromila, the prophet of Ifa religion, to help provide guidance to humanity. Other oral traditions may suggest the 16 major Odu were left behind on earth by Oromila to continue helping guide humanity in a positive direction. In any case, the 16 principal Odu represent the first 16 major Odu Ifa signs that create the foundational structure of the literary corpus for the Ifa religion. They can be figuratively compared to as pillars of Ifa, from which the remaining 240 minor Odu signs derive from, resulting in a total of 256 Odu that make up the sacred corpus of Ifa. Each Odu represents centuries of philosophy, wisdom, and knowledge gathered by Ifa priests throughout time. They include information related to moral teachings, spiritual guidance, life experiences, ethics, rituals, sacrifices, and much more. This information is provided and integrated within each Odu in the form of esse or verses. We will talk more about esse or verses within the Odu later in this video. Each Odu contains information associated with the good and the bad. It provides guidance on how to manifest the good and how to keep negative disruptive forces away. It is through the divination process that the Odu currently shaping our lives is revealed to us. This sacred act of divination, performed by an experienced Babalawo or Yanifa, is what provides the opportunity that allows us to know ourselves better and see our path more clear. Furthermore, it allows us the opportunity to know how we can live and maintain a positive life for all. You can learn more about the Ifa divination system and other topics about Ifa by following the links throughout and at the end of this video. Please click on part 2 of this video on your screen to learn more about the 240 minor Odu and how they are derived from the 16 major Odu. If you find this video to be a positive influence, please click the thumbs up button. Please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell notification button to be notified when new Ifa Odu videos are published. Please also share this video with someone you know to help influence them in a positive way. Have a blessed and positive day. Ache.